guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maggie. Today we're talking about how to make repair requests in English. I remember when I first moved here, one of my worst nightmares is something is not working and I don't know how to describe it. The sentence structure is very easy, but I know the hard part is the name of the furniture or how is it not working. So today we're gonna take care of that. I'm very excited. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't and turn on the post notifications. Now, let's get into the video. The basic sentence is the easiest thing. Hi, I'm calling to let you know that something is not working. I'm calling to let you know. Or if you showed up in person in the residence office, you just say, hey, something in my apartment is not working. Okay, now let's go into the details. First one, the toilet is not flushing. It's clogged. The toilet is not flushing. It's clogged. Can you send someone to fix it? Hi, I'm calling to let you know that my toilet is not flushing. It's clogged. Can you send someone to fix it? Thank you. Next one. Something is wrong with the garbage disposal. It's not draining. Something is wrong with the garbage disposal. It's not draining. 垃圾处理器堵了，一直下不去。所以这个呢，我觉得也挺常出现的，因为有的时候确实是东西放进多了，然后呢，不知道是不是某物掉进去啦，然后就堵了。所以这一句可以好好记一下。Something is wrong with the garbage disposal. It's not draining. Next one. The stovetop oven is not igniting. The stovetop oven. 或者是 gas burner. The gas burner is not igniting. Or it's not turning on. I can't turn on my gas top oven. My stovetop oven is not turning on. It's not igniting. 就是燃气灶打不开了。或者是直接说 oven 就可以了，因为有的时候这就连着的嘛，他就会知道你是什么意思。Hi, I'm calling to let you know that my oven is not igniting. Can you send someone to fix it? Thank you. Next one, the range hood isn't working. The range hood, 这个是抽油烟机。The range hood is not working. Next one, shower drain or the sink in the bathroom. 我之前认为这两个都是 drain， 后来呢，我发现只有浴室或者是淋浴室那下面的那个下水道叫 drain， 然后洗脸盆那个下水道叫做 sink， 直接说 sink 就行了。The sink is clogged， 那人家就知道你说的是洗脸盆，而不是你的淋浴室下水道。如果是淋浴室下水道是 shower drain。 The shower drain is clogged. The shower drain is clogged. The sink is clogged. Next one, the air condition is not working.The heater is not working. There's no air coming out of the air vent. There's no air coming out of the air vent. Hi, I'm calling to let you know that my AC is not working. There's no air coming out of the air vent. I turn it on, but there's no air coming out of the air vent. The thermostat 是空调那个遥控器，在墙上的那个控制器。The thermostat is not working. Next one.The electricity just went out. Is there a blackout? 就是停电，停电是 blackout。如果你想问一下是不是全楼都停了呢？你可以问一下，但是应当挺 obvious 的哈，应当是停电，你应当都知道。但是如果有的时候你那个 apartment complex 太大了，你也可以问一下。Next one, the light bulb in the kitchen went out or burned out. One of the light bulbs went out. One of the light bulbs burned out.Hi, I'm calling to let you know that one of the light bulbs in the kitchen went out and I need a new one. Can you send someone? Thank you. The window doesn't lock. Something's wrong with the window and it doesn't lock. Or it doesn't close. Hi, I'm calling to let you know that something's wrong with my window in my living room. It doesn't lock. Or the window fell off. The window fell off. Fell off. 也就是说窗户掉下来了，如果是那种开的那种窗户的话，也有可能会掉啊。The window fell off. The door is not shutting properly. The door's not shutting properly. I think the hinges are loose. I think the hinges are loose. 也就是说那个门的 关节，那是关节吗？就是那个，我把图片放这里好了，就是这个东西它可能松了，要紧一紧。The hinges are loose. Hi, I'm calling to let you know that something's wrong with my door. It's not shutting properly. I think the hinges are loose. Next one. There's no power in the outlet. Hi, I'm calling to let you know that there's no power in the outlet. I used to say electricity. 我以前认为就是因为电源没电嘛，所以肯定是用 electricity。后来我发现是 power. There's no power in the outlet. 其实说 electricity 也可以啦，但是我觉得更口语应当是 power. There's no power in the outlet. The light switch is not working. The light switch is not working. Or the dimmer. The dimmer is not working. Last but not least, the internet connection is really slow. The internet connection is really slow. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you guys. I think I covered most of the problem that might occur within an apartment. If I missed something, please comment down below. I can reply to your messages or maybe do another video in the future. As of now, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!